So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Arun Kashyap Maths. So today we are mastering the pair of linear equations in two variable. So student, this is the crucial for your boards and competitive exams. So let's start with the basics. General form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Any equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is a linear equation. It is called linear. It is called linear because of its graph is a straight line. Graph is a straight line. Graph of a linear equation is a straight line. So here two conditions are there. If any equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and a, b and c belongs to real numbers, and second condition is a and b both are not equals to 0. So these are the conditions of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so I will give you the example. Suppose 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0 is a linear equation in the form of x and y. X and y are the variables, two different variables. X and y are the two different variables. Suppose I am writing root 2x minus root 3y is equals to 0. This is also linear equations. Here a and b belongs to real numbers and these x and y are the variables. So this is also a linear equation in x and y. Okay, and next is a single equation has infinitely many solutions. Single equation has infinitely, आपने ये पॉइंट याद रखना है कि कोई भी लीनियर इक्वेशन की जो सिंगल इक्वेशन है उसके कितने सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं, इन्फिनेटली मैनी सॉल्यूशंस. सो अ सिंगल इक्वेशन हैज infinitely many solutions. Okay, so next is what is solution. अब solution क्या होता है? Solution of a linear equation. Okay, so we can say solutions of a linear equation क्या होते हैं बेटा? So we can say that x is equals to alpha and y is equals to beta is a solution of, ये इसके solution कब होंगे? is a solution of equation ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 if and only if a alpha plus b beta प्लस c इज इक्वल्स टू 0. अगर ये कंडीशन फॉलो होती है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि वो x अल्फा और बीटा इसके क्या हो जाएंगे, आपके सॉल्यूशंस हो जाएंगे. ओके, सो इसको एग्जांपल से हम समझते हैं. सपोज क्वेश्चन इज शो दैट x इज इक्वल्स टू 3, शो दैट x इज इक्वल्स टू 3 एंड y इज इक्वल्स टू 2 इज अ solution of this linear equation 5x minus 3y is equals to 9. It means अगर ये दोनों इसको satisfy कर जाएंगे means left hand side equals to right hand side, so we can say that these two values are the solution of this given linear equation. So solution is substitute x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 in the given equation, so we get 5 left hand side is equals to 5 into x value is 3 minus 3 into y, that is equals to 2. So this is equals to 15 minus 6 and that is equals to 9, and 9 is your right hand side. So we can say that x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 is a solution of the given equation, that is solution of 5x minus 3y is equals to 9. I hope this is clear to everyone. So next is simultaneous equation. What is simultaneous equation in two variable? Next topic is simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations in two variable. So two linear equation in two unknown x and y are said to form a system of this simultaneous linear equation if each of them is satisfied by the same pair of value of x and y. Suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. This is the first linear equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is the second linear equation. So when we deal with the two equation together, so it is when we deal with the two equation together, it is called the system. It is called a system, or we can say simultaneous equation. So we want a solution that fits both. So we want a solution that fits both. Suppose I am taking an example. Example is, consider the linear system of linear equation x plus y is equals to 10, and second equation is x minus y is equals to 10. Okay, so we want a solution that fits both the equation. So by substitution you will find that each of the equation is satisfied by the value. So first of all we have to find the value of x and y here. So x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y is equals to 2 by substitution method. So x plus y minus y cancel, so this is equals to 2x, and 10 plus 2, that is equals to 12. So from here x is equals to 12 by 2, that is equals to 6. X equals to 6. So substitute the value of x in this equation. So we have to find the value of y. So therefore 6 plus y is equals to 4. Y is equals to 10 minus 6, that is equals to 4. So y is equals to 4 and x is equals to 6. So these are the given equation form a system of simultaneous linear equation in x and y. So the solution is x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 4. इट मीन्स ये जो दोनों हैं ये आपके इस दोनों साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन के क्या हो गए, सोल्यूशन हो गए और उसको सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. अब आप यहाँ पर x को 6 और y को 4 पुट करके देखो, दोनों आपके इक्वेशन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल्स टू राइट हैंड साइड हो जाएगी. ओके, सो x इज इक्वल्स टू 6 एंड y इज इक्वल्स टू 4. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 6 प्लस 4, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 10, एंड हेयर 6 minus 2 is equals to 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. So left hand side equals to right hand side. So जब हम दो इक्वेशन को एक साथ सॉल्व करते हैं तो हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं, साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन कहते हैं. और हम एक ऐसा आंसर ढूंढते हैं जो इन दोनों के लिए सही हो. सो इन दोनों इक्वेशन के लिए हमारे पास कौन सा सोल्यूशन हुआ है, x की वैल्यू 6 और y की वैल्यू 4. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? I hope is it clear to everyone. So next is nature of system. Next topic is nature of system. Nature of a system. Okay, so this is the most important topic in this chapter, nature of system. So I will show one image. Yes, so this is yes. So by comparing these ratios of the coefficient, we can tell if the line will cross, or if the line will overlap, or if the line run parallel without even drawing the graph. So this is the most important ratios. Okay, so when a1 over a2 is not equals to b1 over b2, so we can directly say that the graph of these pair of two linear equation is a intersecting line. Okay, intersecting line. So in this table there are word consistent and inconsistent. So first of all, what is the meaning of consistent and what is the meaning of inconsistent? ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं कि कंसिस्टेंट और इनकंसिस्टेंट क्या होते हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज कंसिस्टेंट. फर्स्ट इज कंसिस्टेंट इफ देयर इज एटलीस्ट वन सॉल्यूशन. कंसिस्टेंट मीन्स क्या होता है, कंसिस्टेंट मीन्स इफ देयर इज at least, I use the word at least, remind at least, याद रखना है, at least one solution. If there is at least one solution, the system is known as consistent. And if no solution, inconsistent क्या होता है, if no solution, अगर कोई भी solution नहीं आ रहा तो वो आपका क्या हो जाएगा, वो आपका हो जाएगा inconsistent case. Is it clear? Consistent and inconsistent, I hope is it clear to everyone. So सॉल्विंग साइमल्टेनियस लीनियर इक्वेशन बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड, वो हम बाद में करेंगे. पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, विदाउट सॉल्विंग बाय कंपेयरिंग द रेशियोज ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट वी कैन टेल इफ द लाइन विल क्रॉस और ओवरलैप और रन पैरेलल. ओके, अगर आपकी ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो जाती है, a1 ओवर a2 इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू b1 ओवर b2, सो द ग्राफ इज इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन. इंटरसेक्टिंग का मतलब क्या होता है कि वो एक जगह पे कट करेगा. क्या होता है इंटरसेक्टिंग का मतलब, एक जगह पे कट करेगा. ओके, जैसे मैं आपको एक इक्वेशन लेके कराता हूँ. सपोज क्वेश्चन इज yes, first graph, suppose question first Suppose first equation is x plus 2y equals to 3 and second equation is 4x plus 3y is equals to 2. So without solving, can you say that what is the line of these two equation? What is the line? Intersecting line, coincident line, or parallel line? So by comparing the ratios, so in this equation what is a1? So by compare with the a1x plus b1y is equals to plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 by comparing. So what is the value of a1? a1 over a2, this is equals to 1 over 4, b1 over b2, this is equals to 2 over 3, and c1 over c2, this is equals to minus 3 over minus 2. So you can easily see that 1 over 4 is not equals to 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 is not equals to 3 by 2. So we can say that the graph of this linear equation has a intersecting line. The graph of this equation has a therefore intersecting line. और अगर इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन है तो बेटा इसके कितने सॉल्यूशन होंगे? इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन मीन सपोज दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस एंड दिस इज वाई एक्सिस. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन की लाइन, सपोज आपकी फर्स्ट इक्वेशन की लाइन बनेगी कुछ ऐसी, ओके, और सेकंड इक्वेशन की लाइन कुछ ऐसी बनेगी. सो ये एक पॉइंट पे कट करेंगे एंड दिस पॉइंट इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दीज टू गिवन इक्वेशंस. सो वी कैन से कि इसका कितने सॉल्यूशन आएंगे? इसके एक सॉल्यूशन आएंगे. और मैंने भी आपको बताया कि अगर किसी का एक सॉल्यूशन होता है, अगर किसी का क्या होता है, एक सोल्यूशन होता है, तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कंसिस्टेंट बोलते हैं. सो वी कैन से दिस इज अ इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन और यू कैन से दैट यूनिक सॉल्यूशन. यूनिक मीन्स सिंगल सॉल्यूशन, यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, और यू कैन से only one solution, only one solution. And if one solution, so we can also say that it is a consistent, it is consistent. I hope is it clear to everyone? First equation, intersecting line. So suppose if we compare the other ratios and if these all are equal to each other, it means this is a coincident line. What is the meaning of coincident line? That two lines overlap to each other, two lines overlap to each other. And third one is parallel lines, means no one intersect, means first two are equals and last one are unequal. So we will take one more example for parallel lines. Suppose equation is 2x minus 3y is equals to 5 and second equation is 6y minus 4x is equals to 3. So without actual solving, find the nature and what is the graph of this equation. Okay, so again ratios, a1 over a2, what is a1? 2, a1 over a2 is equals to a1 over a2 and b1 over b2 minus 3 over minus 4 and c1 over c2 minus 5 over minus 3, minus 5 over minus 3. So check what kind of graph will it? 2 by 3, minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel. So 2 by 3 we can write 1, 2 by 6 we can write 1 by 3, 3 by 4 and 5 by 3. Yes. So 1 by 3 is not equals to 3 by 4 and it is not equals to 5 by 3. So we can say that the graph of this equation is again intersecting line, means unique solution, or we can say consistent. Okay, so next is graphical method. Next is graphical method steps. So this is a xy plane, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, so write down the first step is, first you have to find the table of values. First step is table of values, means you have to find x y point, find x comma y points for equation 1 and 2, for equation 1 and 2. This is your first step. Second step is plotting. Second step is plotting. Mark points on the graph. Mark points on the graph. Third step is draw the lines. Drawing. Third step is draw the lines. And fourth step is intersection. Find where they meet. Fourth step is intersection. आपने ग्राफ बनाने के बाद आपने चेक करना है कि वो पॉइंट आपस में मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं मिल रहे हैं, कि लाइन की ऊपरी लाइन है. फाइंड वेयर दे मीट. So to solve graphically, we find points for each line and see where they intersect. So that intersection point is our answer. So graphical method में हम दोनों लाइंस को ड्रॉ करते हैं और जहाँ दोनों लाइंस एक दूसरे को काटती हैं तो वही हमारा क्या हो जाता है, सोल्यूशन हो जाता है. Okay, so that is the for the conceptual view. Okay, so in the next video we will take a numerical example and solve it on the graph step by step. Okay, so student, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So keep learning. Thank you.